Alright, we got our caliper installed. Nice new power stop brake calipers. You can see how nice and thick they are, new. They're nickel plating. Put these on my 2001 Sunfire and they're on there 5-6 years, something like that. So we got these on, nice and easy install. Now we're gonna get our brake caliper on. Okay, now here's my brake caliper. Installed Akabono brake pads, made in the United States. You want to paint when you get a new caliper. They don't come painted, they're bare metal. You wipe them down, clean them, and then just take a little bit of they supply with the Akabono brake pads, they supply actually new seals and everything. I didn't need them in this case because I put new calipers on, but there's disc brake lube, Molly lube, that you put on here. You only need a light coat to make sure they slide well. And now we're gonna take and install this. I'm gonna line it up with everything being new. Should be pretty well. Get the camera right here. Easy to line everything up. Help if I get the bolt out of the way. Look at that. Slide right in. Line up our bolts. You want to start these just like the other bolts we installed. Right here, you can see that. Lighting is always a problem. Alright, get them all snugged up, and then we have the one on the bottom down here. Same as the top, have it all lined up. And we're gonna install our hose on the caliper. Okay, we got our new bolt and washers. Alright, you'll install your new, you want to put one washer on one side, and then if I don't drop it, install your other washer on the other side. And then they have, if I can do this at the same time, a little cap, just the camera here, little dust cap in there to keep the dirt out. And we just take, slide that right in, and we'll get a socket for all the bolts to tighten it all up. Alright, tighten up our caliper bolt for the brake line bolt for the hose. And then over here, from doing our caliper, tighten up the caliper bolts. Do the top one. Gotta get the socket out of there. Then we do the bottom one. Stop hitting the camera. Turn it a little more there. nice and tight. Now, normally, if you're just doing brakes, get the socket out there again. Normally, if you're just doing brakes, you'll just want to tighten up your, because you'd open your bleeder up to bleed the fluid out, to take and push your caliper piston back to put the new pads in, because it would push it in from the space it takes up from where the brake's wearing out. So in this case here, I'll be opening a bleeder up because I have to bleed the brakes out. Maybe we'll do a future video on bleeding brakes, but that's another procedure in this. You'll have to fill the master cylinder up, have a friend help you do it. There's also kits out there that is a self-bleeding kit. I prefer having someone in the vehicle and pressing and holding the pedal, and then you open up the bleeder to get the air out, and then repeat it till you think all the air is out, or that you don't see any more air coming out. So that is the only procedure here right now. I have to can't do that right now, but I will show a brake bleeding procedure in the future. But that would be the other part of this. And then you want to make sure, like if you're just replacing brakes, all you would have to do is just get in the vehicle after tightening up your bleeder, step on the brake to tighten up, because you can see there's a lot of space. This isn't tight, and what'll happen is once you tighten up, it'll take up the space in here and tighten up your brakes. And then you want to check your master cylinder and take and top it off. But in this case here, because I'm replacing calipers, I have to bleed the system, and I'll show that in a part of the video. So, all right, so we got this all installed. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss a video from GMEC. So thanks for watching, and remember, keep on wrenching.